Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHEARTAIRBRUSH. And today, we gonna get into some new stuff from Dinair. Yes, honey, Dinair has been working on some hot new shades for the lineup, and your girl has exclusive rights to go ahead and introduce you to those shades before they launch. So if you are interested in this new collection from Dinair, and if you're interested in a little giveaway, because you know your girl's gonna do a giveaway, then please keep on watching. All right, so Dinair is always working on some new hotness, girl. They're always reinventing stuff. They're always inventing stuff. You know, they're the innovators and inventors of Dinair airbrush makeup and airbrush makeup as we know it today, girl. Yes. So that being said, they came out with a whole new collection called the Saharan Desert Collection. It features 3 completely brand new formulated matte eyeshadows and 1 completely new liquid lippy that we're gonna go ahead and show you a little bit today. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram and you're not following my story, girl, then you don't know what these shades look like. And I suggest you follow me on Instagram because I usually post things there first. But yes, so that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you some swatches, and then I'm gonna go ahead and show you a little look that I'm gonna put together using all of the pieces of this collection. And stay to the end of the video and we're going to talk about a little giveaway we're going to do. Yes, your girl has been blessed and privileged to be able to work closely with Dinair, and they've allowed me to go ahead and give a little bit of an awesome treat to you guys. So one of you guys are going to win some of the new products, not some of them, all of the new products that Dinair has launching very soon. So if you are interested in the giveaway, make sure that you stay until the end, right? So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this look. Okay, so my face is already done, so let's go ahead and dive into the new shades. All right, so the first shade I'm gonna go ahead and lay down is called Sienna. It's a beautiful light shade. It works perfectly for a base for somebody who's my skin tone, but if you are lighter than me, girl, this is gonna make a beautiful transition shade for you, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it right now. And before I apply it on the lid, I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a little swatchy because you know that's what we like to do with it. So let's get on to the swatch. Okay, so now that you've seen a swatch, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the lid like so. Look at that. I know you see it. I know you see that ting, girl. Yeah. Alright, so now that I've sprayed the excess out of that shade, which was Sienna, now I'm going to go ahead and dive into the next shade in the collection, which is called Saharan Sunset. And this I'm going to apply to this transition area. So this is the most beautiful transition shade. It's going to work whether you have fair to deep skin tones. I absolutely love it. So before we get into applying it on the eye, I'm going to go ahead and give you a little swatchy swatch. Okay, so now that you've seen the swatch, let's go ahead and get on to the eyes, girl. So here I'm just going to go ahead and apply this to the transition crease area like so. Yeah. Building on it. Build on it a little more. Blend it down. Down. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Look at that. Okay, so now that we're done applying Saharan Sunset, we're going to go into the next shade that's in the collection, and it is called Desert Rose. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a little swatch, of course. Okay, so now that you've seen the swatch, just go ahead and apply it to the lid like so. And here I'm just going to apply it to the outer corner, outer V, like so. A little concentrate and a little blend, girl. A little concentrate and a little blend. There we go. Folding it into the crease. Blending it on the outer corner of the lid. How beautiful is this shade, right? And then blending it into the natural fold. There we go. There we go. Yeah, girl, look at that. Look at how rich that is. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of definition to the outer corner just by laying down a stencil here. Spring against the corner of the stencil. And other side, girl, other side. There you go. Yeah, girl. Okay, so now that the shadow is done, I'm going to go in with airliner, and here I'm just taking jet black. Okay, I want to make sure to pinch off dry tip, because girl, you can't go into liner without pinching off dry tip. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to take my cat eye end stencil, you know, my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and apply my airliner like so. You know me, I just dive right into it. There to dry. Yeah, gonna give it a little more. Gonna give a little more right here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add my wing. There we go. And then to get the lower lash line here, I'm just gonna protect the underside. We're gonna spray through the lashes. There we go. Bam! Lower liner. You know what? I like this one a little bit better, so I'm just gonna take a dry Q-tip. Or you can use a lip one. But I'm gonna use a Q-tip today, girl. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just soften that up a little bit. Yeah. Flick some of them pixels away. Perfect. Now I know we're good. So get rid of that black. And we go get some highlighting going on, because you know we gotta glow to the heavens. We got a new shadow, a new lippy. We gotta glow, girl. All right, so for my highlight, I'm just gonna be taking a bottle that I just threw on the floor. Hold on. Okay, for my highlight, your girl got a little over eccentric on the shaking there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take That's Just Peachy, which is one of my favorite highlighters so far from Dinair. Test it out, and I'm gonna apply it to my tear ducts. Make me look a little bit more youthful, a little more awake. Hey, hey. Brow bone. Make it pop. A little shimmer to that transition shade as well, because it kind of bounces down. And then we're going to get the cheekbone to highlight, girl, because you can't look at that cheekbone highlight. There we go. Make the nose pop. Cupid's bow pop. Set that stage for that new lippy we about to apply there. A little bit on the forehead. Spray the neck, because we don't waste none. We don't waste none. Alright, so now that the eye look is complete, let's go ahead and zoom you out so we can do the lippy. Alright, so we zoomed out just a little bit so you can see my lips here, and we're going to be applying the new liquid lipstick shade. Girl, it's so new. Your girl got it in a little sample, okay? It's a sample one, alright? Because the tubes just got in production, okay? And your girl got the sneak peek. She got the jump on it. So we're going to go ahead and apply it here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a lip one. This shade is called Sunset. It's absolutely beautimous. Okay, so a little goes a long way. This is super opaque. You guys are going to love this. Okay. Look at that. Oh, the opacity. Dinair ain't playing. Yeah, girl. Haven't double dipped yet. The funny faces we make when we do our lippies. Don't act like you don't do it. We all do. You see, I haven't had to go back yet. Tell me this is not the most gorgeous red. Okay, finally, for us tan and deep girls, we got a beautiful red from that Dinair liquid lipstick game, okay? And it's so smooth and soft on the lips. It's got an opaque coverage. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with the shade. I'm gonna be real with you. This is a poppin' red, and you know I'm about to wear this every day because it's flipping beautiful. Alright, so now that the eye look is done, the lippy is on, and I'm looking all fierce and whatnot with that Saharan Desert Collection. Yeah, girl. Let's go ahead and get into the giveaway. So today I've been blessed enough to go ahead and partner with Dinair to go ahead and bring you this giveaway. So what you will be getting is this beautiful liquid lipstick shade here, Sunset, which I will go ahead and show you swatches of all the lippies that you're going to be getting, but let's go ahead and start off with Sunset. And then you'll also be getting 4 other liquid lipstick shades that are brand new to the Dinair liquid lipstick lineup. including the very limited edition Dina. Yes, there's a brand new liquid lippy called Dina in celebration of Dinair's 35th anniversary. That shade is going to be included for you in this giveaway. So you're going to get the new hotness before it even launches, girl. And then you're going to get 2 other shades, of course, that are brand new to the liquid lipstick line that haven't even began in production yet, girl. So you gonna get the new, okay? And on top of all these beautiful liquid lippies, because you know we all love the liquid lippies, you're also gonna get the trio of shadows that come in the Saharan Desert Collection. Yes, the shades that I used on my eyes today is what you are gonna get for free, yes, before the actual launch. Let's talk about the rules. So all you have to do to be entered to win this giveaway is just make sure that you are subscribed right here to my channel, which is IHEARTAIRBRUSH. It's that red subscribe button you know down below, and make sure that you are also subscribed to Dinair's channel. It is Dinair, girl. Get into that search engine, type in Dinair, and make sure you subscribe to their channel also. And then once you've subscribed to my channel and Dinair's channel, go ahead and put down in the comment box below which shade you're most excited to go ahead and test out if you win. Alright loves, best of luck to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this got you excited for the new shades and the new colors that are coming to Dinair. Yeah, girl. If you want another chance to go ahead and win the giveaway, make sure that you check out my Instagram page. It's IHeartAirBrush for another opportunity to go ahead and win this collection. Yes, girl, you heard it right. We're doing 2 giveaways off of 2 different platforms, and it's gonna be awesome. So make sure you enter on both platforms. The rules on how to enter on Instagram will be listed on my latest post, so go ahead and check that out. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it gave you some insight into the fun new things that are coming to Dinair. I can't wait to share more with you guys, and best of luck with the giveaway, okay? I got my fingers crossed for the winner. I'm so excited to be able to host my first giveaway. Yes. Okay, that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up now. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you're choosing not to enter the giveaway, just make sure you subscribe anyway, because you know it's free and you get to be a part of my Airbrush family. And if you choose to subscribe today, or if you're already subscribed, you're part of the fam, don't forget to hit that little notification bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright loves, thank you once again so much for watching, and I really hope to see you all in my next video. And best of luck on the giveaway!